Hello guys, so welcome to today's show. My name is CHUKS and you're on JFL TV, the home of football. So if today is the first time where you see our program, for you to bring you the latest Arsenal news update as they drop all over the world. So for now, let's start with today's news. Alright, so the Athletic, come as I call it, let us know, say Arsenal, they very much open to selling Emile Smith Rowe, will be one of their players, one of their prized assets from the academy, but they don't get choice as it stands now because they have to sell before the buy. So they feel say they go put the guy up on the market. This is the right time to sell for this January transfer window. We then see whether anybody, any suitor will actually come in and say, okay, we are interested in him, we'd like to sign him, let's see what he brings to the table. Although everybody knows, say, Aston Villa under Unai Emery already gets attraction for Emile Smith Rowe, and they are really interested in signing him. So now we say, with the say Arsenal, they're willing to listen to offers for the player because it is an open secret that we need to sell before we buy. So most of this whether anybody will put their money where their mouth is, whether Aston Villa will come back for the player, because that's just the sad place where we are at now. I know so many fans go to para say, why go sell him with Smith Rowe? He's a good player for the future, this and that. But the thing is, don't take your eye off the ball. What are we doing now? Leave future first. Now. What are we winning now? You get? So that be the major thing we will get now. So more just the shisha. Anyhow they go. If I see any suit away you can, I will let you know. Alright, away from that, so Darren Bent, maybe one of the pundits on TalkSport, so Babasa come as I call it to say, make Arsenal prioritize Ivan Toney over Benzema. Say if Arsenal won't sign Benzema, you go understand based on say it's a stopgap solution. It's like in the short term. Now Arsenal won't go for the player, but if Arsenal they look at a long-term solution, because if we sign Benzema now, fine, Benzema come in, does what he does in the next 6 months, that problem where you do hide, where you try to dodge, that problem will still meet you at the end of the season. So why not solve the problem now? So that by the time you get to the end of the season, the problem will be a thing of the past. So now waiting, Babadi explain, and myself, I somehow subscribe to his line of thought. If there is any teeny bit of possibility that we can get Ivan Toney now, because now be the only striker we're really interested in joining us. When we say if we go for him, he will come for us. Guess so if we really like, if that possibility is there, why not take it, break the bank, spend the money, and get the player? You get? Because by summer, according to what Darren Bent talk, that Ivan Toney will be available now. Don't be surprised by summer when you go here say they're available again, because when you listen to the pleas where Ivan Toney make, you get, they talk say you want to join a club will get ambition to compete for the title and win the title. Not necessarily I want to join Arsenal, because not be only Arsenal they in that frame of title contention. Many other clubs they there. So there's a possibility that if Chelsea makes in an offer and pay the right money that will be used to compensate Brentford, is going to join them. So at the end of the day, we'll just watch as things go unfold. Alright, moving on. So TalkSport also come as I call the talk say Arsenal have been alerted to a release clause waiting for Michael Oli's contract. Now the release clause is about £50 million and above, between 50 to 60. Now it will actually take for anybody where they're interested in signing Michael Olis. Now the thing is, Arsenal are super interested in signing that player. Now the question becomes, where is he going to play? People they talk say they will use him as a Bukayo Saka cover because he's pacey and he's tricky and he get ball sense. Obviously he can play. Yes. So and the players I don't talk say he go actually, because nobody Arsenal they go for the player. Arsenal is going there, Manchester United is going there. So in the talk say he go actually, when push comes to shove, he will actually choose Arsenal over Manchester United. So this is something that is in the public domain. So like I always say, all this information that I'm privy to, as long as I can see them, I have this belief that Mikel Arteta and co, they see all this information, so it is left to them to act upon it or ignore it. So not just watch and see how things unfold. Today now 19, I did do the countdown. Today now 19, you get how many days remain? Transfer window payment, like maybe 11-12 days. So not just see the countdown they go. Alright, so Paul Merson will be Arsenal legend. So Baba Conde talk say Mikel Arteta's situation can they somehow resemble waiting as Wenger they do for in later stages at Arsenal. And here's what he meant. So what Baba Conde talk say, if you notice during the final stages of Wenger before Emery can take over, Wenger actually had a problem with his team. He needed a centre back, a new centre back that will come in to shore up the defense and plug all the leaky holes. But Wenger was somehow stubborn to do that. Though Wenger excuse me, they say money no day. So he can do some comparison, contrast and comparison, and just compare everything between Wenger and Arteta. Now Arteta won't be say the only problem when him feel say Arteta gets for his own team. Now he say Arteta needs a modern day centre forward who is very, very clinical, very prolific, knows what it takes to put the ball at the back of the net. For that reason, they talk say Arteta is somehow stubborn. He doesn't want to release the money or give the go ahead for them to go and borrow money. Like, do whatever it takes to make sure you plug this gap and make sure you sign this player. Because we don't do too much follow. I think this is time for us to be doing the signing. One of our senior community members, let me know for the comment section, say, now here we did. Arsenal follow Cody Gakpo, follow and Baba go join Liverpool. Now here we did. We follow Yuri Tillemans, follow and sign personal terms, link. Last Baba go join Aston Villa. Now here we did. Arsenal follow medicine, follow and medicine go relegation. We can dey easy. Come and sign me. Nobody's 50 million. Arsenal still door. Medicine go join Tottenham Hotspur. Now same here we did. Arsenal follow Musa Diaby, follow and last when go Baba go join Aston Villa. So this follow they tire us. So that is the main bone of contention. We don't follow Ivan Toney now. He has been begging us. I want to join you. I love your style of play. I love your fan patronage. I love everything about you. Come and sign me. That is a please, begging. Here to see the move. Before you know now, you go here say Chelsea go sign. Shebi na here we dey Modric. We follow and last when end. So these are some of the backdrops where they giving us. So at the end of the day, this Ivan Toney, I no go dey surprised if I hear say na Chelsea sign. Alright, so today is the birthday of our community member Wolex in daughter Gabriela. So today is our 1 year birthday. So we say wish your daughter long life and prosperity. Wish her all the best things life has to offer. So from me and the entire Arsenal community, wish her happy birthday. Now moving on, so Joe Bernstein, maybe one of the football pundits out there. So Baba Seko in the comments at the talk say Bukayo Saka and Odegaard's telepathic understanding is dissipated. It is missing at Arsenal. It is no longer there. That Sojino pass, that Sojino relationship with Odegaard and Saka get, Baba, you know they again because you know they really see him again. But you just believe with this winter break, 2 weeks break where they don't get for Dubai, coming back, say everybody go don't get their energy bars filled up so that now the first casualty now go be Crystal Palace. Crystal Palace go collect Woto. That be our own prayer by the time we come back and play on Saturday, early kickoff. So more just watch out things go because what if Baba talk, myself I see I know be say Baba the cap. I see him and I believe so when I see him also say that special bond, that relationship between the midfielders and Saka, no day again. Alright, so Chelsea, on the other hand, Chelsea said don't place Amando Broja on the transfer market. This is since when they become realistic for everybody. And Chelsea say they get billionaire owner in Ted Boehly and Egbadi. This is they got sell before they buy. They don't put Broja for market to get. Who would have believed say Chelsea will sell one of their prize assets, one of the players who they make things happen for them. Look at Baka. Baka is placing Rafinha, placing Pedri in the market. Look at Arsenal now. We are hearing that Arsenal is willing to listen to offers for what do they call them? Emi Smith-Rowe. Look at Manchester United. Then said they put their own player. Look at Newcastle. We are hearing that they may likely sell Bruno Guimaraes, Sven Botman, or Alexander Isak. Things is becoming real again, so now so it just be sadly. Yeah, so I just say that one no concerns now, but I just let you know how other people self they fare. It's not easy for anybody. So now so it just be. Alright, so Fabrizio Romano self come outside they drop in two cents on this Benzema story because this story don't gather a lot of momentum, a lot of traction. You get people they talk about the matter. So Fabrizio come they explain say this Benzema story. Now story will be so we go to follow in the next few days. We go to follow and to see whether there will be a logical conclusion, whether truly he go like to leave. Because once we Fabrizio can explain, say even if he won't leave, you know, go be very easy because of the kind of money where they pay Benzema for there and the kind of fee where they use buy someone for all these star-studded players. Like in the case of Benzema, now they don't really pay much. You get a free transfer. It was a free agent from Real Madrid, so not just the wages that they don't spend. So anybody who won't buy him outright because it's not going to come in for free. If you want to buy him permanent move, you will spend through your nose. Unless maybe you want to take him on a loan deal, that one will make a whole lot of sense. Make I give you an example now. You know that Henderson, you get Jordan Henderson of Liverpool, former Liverpool, we go Al Ettifaq. Don't come up for Al Ettifaq now. Say you don't like that country again, like you know they value that place, and because of the backlash when they get from the England fans, say don't go shit Packer League, you don't come on there and don't go join Ajax. In fact, according to here say the guys since when you join there, in the defer in payments, all the wages, everything, you know, collect anything, like in terminating contract, say no do again. Now, you know, yesterday I think he was doing his Ajax medical, but I see whether they unveil am. So that's how real it is. You're gonna feel say, yes, I'm a big dog in Europe. I don't go Saudi Arabia, they make so much money, but you see that adrenaline rush where you say they play with farmers, they play with jewelry sellers, like no charge, no. I don't know how I want to put that, like the excitement is not there. You get if you let me go score 1 million goals, nobody they reason you. If they do Ballon d'Or now, you only know go there again. So because of that, people want to come back to Europe where they get that adrenaline rush from UEFA competition. So it is what it is. I just say make I let you know how things they in the loop. Alright, so Arsenal also on the other hand they track Jared Brathwaite. The tracking situation for Everton now. This player is a centre back. This player is very tall. One of the tallest players I've seen in the EPL. This guy is taller than Ibrahimovic. For you to understand what I mean, he is tall. Saliba be like small boy for where he did. He's taller than Pablo Mari. Like I just give an instances of people who know say tall. Say this one tall past them. You get, but in with Dambon, I'm not gonna know who tall past. You get, but I know he's very tall because Dambon is the tallest in EPL. So I don't know what's in my own height, but the guy is very tall. But whether in the fast, that I can't say because people tall like that, they don't really get much pace. But he's one of the prize assets of Everton, and they want to sell him now, sadly, because of their financial fair play situation. Because by the time when they will factor in the 2023-2024 financial reports, join them with the next 2 years or the previous 2 years, can't do the normal FFP calculation. Everton will make sure that they're on the right side of the law, and that means they have to sell some of their prize assets to balance their financial books, and that is where Arsenal comes in. So Arsenal, in fact, Everton is like a mini shop right now. Everybody will come there, come the price player, say, Baba, how much last? All those kind of package. Now what you will see now. So because Arsenal actually need a centre back, so more just to watch whether now this Brathwaite we go sign. Now damage set also come to let us know say Tomiyasu and Ben White they're doing for advanced talks to get their contract extension finalized. So anyhow the thing go, if they don't finalize and finally gone, I will let you know. So my dear Arsenal lovers, if you don't watch us, they should check the top left corner of your screen. You'll see the thumbnail. Click on so that you get all Arsenal update as they drop over the world. So CHUKS signing out. Enjoy the rest of your day. Now get out.